Okay.
Jeez, it just wouldn't show on the other screen.
Alright, there we go. Go.
We know everything. Huh? We always know.
Thank you. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir, let's do it.
No.
I came down, I was looking at like crazy. I ran down here, came up highway, right before they called me over.
You're on camera, by the way. Say hello. Actually,
Like, what do we?
what the cinema liberty?
What do we?
Liberty.
Liberty? Is that it? Oh, that has an anti-fog in it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't need to use it though. It's not super bad weather.
Yeah. Does it work though? Does it work
Yeah,
good?
it does. Yeah, get that tree.
Alright guys,
I hit trees. You killed my dad.
separate into your team and we're gonna
Construction crew. Where's construction crew?
Yellow team will be at the opposite end of the field.
All right, turn around. Turn around. You're a disappointment. You're. Never mind. What? You're on camera. Say hi. You didn't say hi. You just waved. Oh my gosh. You're all really camera shy. Okay. Hey, calm down.
Hey, can I go for
He's a cameraman. Get him down.
Are you streaming right now?
Yes. We are streaming right now.
Guys, I'm pointing the gun at my face.
Alright, we're doing an attempt of sliding. It worked! That's a lot of leaves to get through. Oh.
And I just started clicking the entire keyboard, so my guy's like having a seizure midair. He's like, oh, spamming. I was like, yep.
I wrestling practice last night, I just laid on the ground, I started doing it, I was like, he's like, what's up for coming different? In a different world.
What are you yapping about? Woo! I'm disappointed. Oh, there's the toilet. Oh no. Oh no. How far are we going back?
I don't know, as far as we want to go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Push.
Oh, what is that?
What?
Is there like a deer blind back here?
Where?
This would be like a cool spot for deer.
Yeah, it would. If you're up there on the top.
Where are we gonna get the roll call? Where's Matthias?
Who's our radio man?
Where's
Our spawn is Matthias.
Matthias! Come back! We miss you.
Ready to roll! I need a popular vote. Semi-auto or auto?
What? Full auto.
Huh?
Full auto.
Better? Full auto for suppressing fire, semi-auto if you're trying to actually hit something.
Oh, you're bringing the pistol?
Full auto works better with
Chat, my pants
Stop
are,
pointing that at me.
chat, my pants are sagging.
Hey, yo!
Thanks.
You want me to help you with that?
No!
No
What?
more!
How are you going to help him by shooting at him?
No more children for you.
Alright. Odd or even?
What?
Odd or even?
What?
You'll figure it out.
Ah, even. Look at.
Oh, this tells you what team you're on.
Guys, is this where we're going right here?
Yeah, I don't know.
A little bit further, but I mean.
We're waiting for Matthias.
Back up!
Get on the ground!
Oh, I didn't know we were waiting for that.
Guys, do we run the flashlight?
You can't fucking do it.
I know, it's really dim. That's good though. For like, you don't want it too bright. It's gonna be
Shot, 50. Alright, come in.
That's the whole point. You have it. Laser. That's really wimpy. It's not even. It can't even sight.
It's a red dot right there. I feel like I should shoot it.
It's just there for looks.
The red dot on it?
You're just here for looks, bud. Yeah, looking good.
Target acquired.
I know. I am.
Actually.
What the?
Hey, chill.
Oh my gosh, there's a bug on your arm. I'm not gonna run.
10:40's games end. Let's start at 10:15.
Alright, we got respawns, so we only live 5 times.
Alright, game starts in 2 minutes.
Alright, 8. I need a buddy. Hey, can somebody come with me? I'm going up there. Yeah.
I'm going away.
Alright.
I will say that the closer you are as a team, the better you're going to be.
Anybody going up this hill?
Better you're going to be.
I want to flank to the right where we were last game so we don't get cut off there.
This way down the valley, and then we need to go coming up here.
Down the valley.
I'm going
Down
to the
this
log.
way?
Yeah, down.
Remember, we have this hill as well.
You're going to come to the log. Yeah,
What's the benefit of the guy coming in?
This hill is probably where they're going to want to go.
I don't know. because if we're here in the middle, this is like not a good vantage point for anything.
Is this mud? No, it's not. Okay, we're good. It's kind of squishy, but we're good.
You're gonna wait like about 5
It's starting in like 30 seconds.
Believe it or not.
Well, my watch says 10:13.
It doesn't.
In a minute.
So, prepare yourself.
You just better be a good shot.
Yeah, honestly, I would say
I'm down to
I would say have focus on one hill and then troops on the other. So whatever hill is the priority, we need to send the most guys on.
I think most people want to go.
Yeah, I was going to say they're going to go this. Okay. So we are already right there.
I'll go mid.
Don't go up that one.
Oh, this one.
That's where we almost bet you money Daniel's going up that hill. But I will say, you have to have a point because there's basically, I know you guys don't. Does it go? We'll give it a few more seconds. There's a divot here, so you got to set a point at a hill. Like if you're at that hill and you're stuck in the middle, like you're cooked. So don't do that. Most of you guys, go! Yeah.
Spread. Okay. Guess I won't go there. Okay. Don't say anybody. Okay. Any visuals? Running out there. I am not clear. I am so exposed. That's fine. Going up here. No. I don't see anything. What? Got you. if I go, you'll watch my right. You ready? Alright, come on. Oh, that's enough though. Can't see my bees. There's flying everywhere. We're on top of the hill. You see them? On top of the hill. Alright, there's no way I can get under them, right? Right? Where am I looking? If I can get... Alright, watch me. Going up. Got one. Where are you? It's me. Okay. I'm moving forward. What do you mean?
I know, but they can sneak up.
Okay, but I'm taking points, so. See him? I know they're right here. They're definitely shooting at me. I can't see. Alright. Move down to that tree over there. I'm going. This is totally spawn camping. I need to go around. Okay, if I got hit this tree over here. Okay, perfect. Gotta get one of these bees to fly perfectly. Alright, that's it. Gotta go closer. Hey! Gotcha, Noah. Okay. Good man. Good man. I wonder where I got hit from. Good man. Oh gosh, how am I gonna fault this? Shoot. I'm just playing. This is rather difficult terrain here. I don't know, someone from spawn. Oh. Okay. Water break. What? What'd you say?
Oh, no.
You're out?
Oh, there's everybody else about. You can respawn, you know, right?
Yeah, you have to count to 200 seconds though.
Hey, does anybody have extra ammo? Huh? Does anybody have extra ammo? Yeah, I'm not yet. No, not a mag. I need like a. Do you have extra?
A canister?
Or like a BB section?
No, I just have mags.
Do you have one? I just have mags.
I had it at 107.
2 kills.
I double teamed someone. Teammate did not.
I flanked that spawn by accident.
Yeah, that's what I said. You're getting a little close.
I was like,
Yeah,
why are people running from here? I was like,
I
oh,
double team, double dot. He did.
I got him.
Oh, yeah, no, he was not. Good stuff. It was 2 of us. Like, he did nothing, and Noah just hit me.
So you got hit by Noah?
Yeah. He shouldn't.
I don't know where I'm at. I'm just gonna start from 30. Oh, I gotta tie my shoes.
Alright, I'm at 200.
What? Okay. I got this thing much under control.
Man down.
Okay, so like,
Too much cardio.
what's going on exactly? Are you dead? Yeah, I just busted back all the time.
Oh shoot, man.
Yeah. I didn't know they were respawns until now.
Yeah, 200 count.
Dude, I got the cleanest sniper of all time. Like, it went right into the middle of the plate. That was beautiful.
Nice.
So what's it? Oh, they're in the flex now. There's a lot of them over there, and there's not much up there.
There's a lot.
We have that one controlled, but not this.
And the flat! I saw like 2 guys going to the flat.
We might need to reinforce the stealth.
Okay, more cardio. What?
Where are you going?
What?
You still out?
No, I just got back in.
I didn't know there were respawns until just now. I haven't died yet, but
Alright. See. Right. There's
Do
tiger.
you think he's a hill? I'll tell him I'm just going like the link
Oh no. Far this way? Is that somebody? Hey, buddy. Stop! Oh. Hit, hit, hit. That was good. Okay. Oh gosh, this again. Looks like I'm running low. Hang on, let's see. Okie dokie. Let's see if I can do an extra mag flip.
Huh?
That way? That way?
You just got hit too?
They all were going this way.
Yeah.
I don't even know who shot me. They have all of their fingers up there.
Yeah, no, they sent just some people down here and then they're slowly picking up.
This is nice, bro.
Yeah, this is not great.
I mean, compared to like yeah, he flanked me, Isaac. So.
There were 2 of them on both sides.
Yeah, I figured, because the guy that I was looking at didn't have an angle on me, but the other guy hit me.
Yeah. Everyone's going down the valley and doing smoke.
Is this enemies right up here?
There are people up here.
Well, it's a battle.
No, that's us up there facing that
I
way.
see orange It's literally, I went and eliminated 2 tangos and I got killed by 4 of them that's up there still.
And there's no way Noah respawned that quickly because you said you got
It's
him.
literally just a peeking battle.
I know.
Where there's a log and we peek up here and fire a few and they peek up on the other side and fire
Yeah,
a
I just
few.
ended up getting pinned behind a tree, and like they were kind of.
Yeah, that is a red. What is he doing up here?
Yep.
Yep, and you shot a kid, like Noah got the other.
Shot a kid.
No. And then,
I mean, it's a part of the game.
and then I take forever to respawn and go back, and he's already in position. Like, he didn't.
Well, you're talking to him right now. What do you have to say?
Don't do a quick respawn. That's just hard enough. Noah Brown.
Yeah, see that's why we don't usually do it because there's a lot to manage.
Yeah. I have not been counting, so I'm just gonna wait for one of y'all to get ready.
I haven't either. Every 3 minutes ago, 3 times, 50, let's go. I reckon I got about 20 seconds left.
That means I got like another minute.
Me when a homeschooler this
What?
Can I just
Graduated?
I didn't think we'd actually do it.
I'll see you ladies on the other slide.
Go wide and just
go
wait.
slay?
Put it over his head.
Do it again. Go get him.
Yeah, I got hit right in the bum.
Oh,
I sprayed Jaden in the butt. I did.
I got
Well, I hit him.
pants on,
I hit
that
him,
hurt.
and then I hit him, and then I thought he was dead, but I didn't know for sure.
What? I got two. I have like 3 layers of pants on, shorts, short pants, mini pants.
oh, he's going that way. He's going long ways.
Getting hit close range hurt.
I'm gonna wait like a minute after you go.
Well, you're here. Oh, never mind. I was spraying like an entire mag at someone, and it just was not making contact. So I literally just walked like 20 feet closer, and he did
Sam,
not notice.
And then, Sam got me, and then oh god, Daniel.
I have not seen anybody that has killed me yet. They've all been
Yeah.
too far away.
I haven't either.
Nope.
I mean, I've only died once.
I've only died to close, like people just getting on both sides of me.
Really? Yeah, people don't like to get
I
close
mean,
to
I
me.
think he was close. I just didn't see him.
I think people think I have cooties or something. What?
I think if
Somebody
you,
said to refill.
Are you
It's
out?
all at main base.
Huh?
It's all at main base.
I think, I mean, because all the woods are dead, if you wear any black, you'd cook.
I made the mistake of.
It's getting toasty out here. I might have to strip a
What I'm
layer.
saying is hot.
I
Yeah.
made the mistake of dive rolling the first time,
What's the respawn time?
200 seconds.
300?
200. With a 2. 200. This is nice foliage. This is not a nice hike though. Very much do not like this uphill climbing. I don't care what they say about you, Noah. I like you. We got Ben. You two are cute. Alright, here's the strat. Okay, now we know that I can't go that way. Wait, who's hit? Who got hit? Him? He must got hit. Alright. From where? Alright, this is not a good spot. Let's see. I don't want to go too far down because they're going to be looking at me. Fall to the end of that log. Yeah, let's do that. I don't know where they are. Is anybody right field? We got red at the bottom of the berm. Is that red? Is that red? Is that red? Down berm. Is that red? Down in below the berm. He's looking left. He's looking left. He's out open.
He's down there behind that tree. Hit. Daniel.
Got hit. Oh, all right. How are they already getting down there? Oh, I need your info. What? Oh, yeah? They are down in the berm right here.
I got my forehead blown off.
That's unfortunate.
I went with this guy who's. You got your forehead blown off? Yeah, I went. Wait, what happened? Not like.
It's good up there. That's why I died. But anybody else?
I know, but like, what's going on?
This is a strap. We're gonna use pistols.
I'll tell you. I know, but like, what's going on?
This is a bad
Like,
idea.
how many people are up there? Well, they can't tell us because well.
There's no way nobody actually has ammo here.
I do.
You do?
I've only used one mag. so
What?
far. Actually, I haven't even used one mag. This is the end of my mag.
Oh, I was gonna use pistol.
Wow.
Oh well.
I was about to.
No.
You got snot all over your face.
Really?
Yeah. Your cheek.
I'm just happy I got the.
Other cheek. Other cheek.
It's not snot.
Yeah, it's peeling. Oh, that's something. I don't know what that is.
It's it, bro.
It's flaking. I think you got smooched from a tree or something.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. I wish I had gone to afford that moment. Like, that was. I wouldn't find who that was. I went to ask the guy in like the first 10 seconds. He was like, one singular duty into the club series. I want to know who that was. So, when there's one person, when there's people up there and people that get the best spot, well, and the worst spot, it's like right in between, like right here. There's also two people up for it. So I was laying down while y'all were talking about it. I had no idea what was going on. They started all by myself.
I think 4. I don't know. I don't remember.
Hey, how many kills did you guys get?
Behind the scene until I got that.
How many kills did you guys get? I got 5.
It's not that.
Too many to count. GG's, bro.
I'm not trying to be that guy, but I'm pretty sure I hit you. I think I saw BBs ricocheting off the place.
I didn't feel anything. I called all the things I felt.
Well, when you went to go duck down under,
What was that just now?
Huh? No, that was when you were. Do you know when you like ducked down? You like kind of dove. Almost.
How
You
many
hit-
kills did you get?
Huh?
How many kills did you get?
You couldn't get me because I was getting bombed kills.
Oh, sorry. If you did hit me, I didn't mean to not call it. I didn't feel it.
I'm not trying to be that guy, but
I got
I did
5
see
kills.
BBs ricochet off your.
Alright, well I didn't feel it, but okay.
It's fun actually playing with it's fun playing airsoft with people that are actually good at it.
No, I suck.
Think
No,
of mag
I'm
up.
used to playing with stupid homeschoolers. Well, not stupid, but like really tiny homeschoolers.
I don't know what
that
they
are
are
just getting
called.
into it.
Get out. Magazine.
But I'm not. But GG stuff.
GG's, bro.
I don't want to be that guy. But
No, you're not. You're not that guy, man. You're good. You're good. That's on me.
nah, it's fine. Usually when people, it's not on you, but like usually when people wear a lot of gear, they don't feel the shots.
Yeah, I usually hear them though. If it hits here, I go pop pop.
But I swear I saw a couple BBs.
Yeah. Well.
I'm pretty sure I got.
What's up, bro?
We battle like back and forth.
Yes.
Running your team through the hammer.
You want to turn off your camera or?
If you want to keep using it, you can.